Tampa, Florida, we've got the street runner coming down right now, and as long as I don't get hit by a car, I'm gonna stand right here, and it's gonna be right here on these old tracks. There it is, the street running train until I ask you. Listen, people love this shit.
I've never seen this come down here. I come down here all the time.
I've never seen it.
I've never seen it come down. What the fuck?
That's the whole reason I'm here. I don't know where it goes that way, but... just an engine and a cart. That's all it is today. Check that out. Downtown Tampa. 6536. I'm not either, but they probably think you work for them because you got that shirt on.
No, but I don't need to go to jail.
That too, yeah.